This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning Live Caption on in Chrome so captions appear for any audio. First, make sure Chrome is updated. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. Toggle Live Caption on and observe the small caption box that appears for active media. If you don't see the option, use Chrome//flags and enable Live Caption there, then relaunch the browser. This step prepares Chrome to generate captions locally for videos, podcasts, and audio playback without extra extensions. Once Live Caption is active, customize how it behaves so captions match your needs. Open the Live Caption menu to change language settings and increase text size for readability. This helps when captions overlay busy content. Make sure Chrome downloads the speech model for offline use, which improves speed and accuracy. You can reposition the caption bubble using the caption icon or press F6 to move focus. Resizing and pausing captions lets you keep them visible without blocking control. You finish by verifying captions work across different media types so you catch edge cases. Play a streaming video, a local MP4, and an embedded audio player. Ensure captions appear and align with speech. If captions don't show, clear Chrome's cache, update to the latest version, or remove and re-download the speech models. Also test in incognito to rule out extension conflicts. If problems persist, relaunch Chrome and report the issue through Settings Help. This often prompts a targeted fix or update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.